It was a cold winter night in a quiet suburban neighborhood in Ohio. Emily, single mom in her late 20s, had just moved into a small house with her young daughter. The house was old, but affordable, and the neighbors seemed friendly enough, except for the man next door. At first he was just a dull, always watching from his porch, waving a little too enthusiastically. Emily tried to be polite, but she kept her distance. One night around 2 a.m., Emily woke up to scratching sounds at the back door. She grabbed her phone and called the police, but by the time they arrived, nothing was there. The officer said it was probably a raccoon. They left. The next night, the scratching came again, this time louder, more insistent. Emily checked the security camera she'd installed. The footage showed a shadowy figure in a hoodie standing at her back door, jiggling the handle. When it didn't open, the figure walked around to the side of the house. Emily called the police again. They searched the yard and found footprints in the fresh snow, large boot prints leading from the neighbor's property straight to her bedroom window. The prints stopped there, then circled back. The police confronted the neighbor. He claimed he was just checking on his own yard, but they found a pair of boots in his garage that matched the prints perfectly. Emily moved out 2 weeks later. She later learned the man had a history of stalking women in the neighborhood. One woman had even filed a restraining order against him years earlier. Pause. Eerie music swell. Emily still checks her locks every night, even though she lives hundreds of miles away now.